Today, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how to use Jamboard. So you're going to navigate up to the upper right hand corner of your Chrome window. You're going to click on the 9 dots and you're going to scroll down until you see Jamboard. We're going to click on it and it will take you to all the Jamboards that you have worked on before. You can create a new Jamboard by using the plus sign on the bottom in the right hand corner. And you can go back to the main page right here. And for the purpose of this class, we're going to be working on pre-made Jamboards. So once you receive the link for your Jamboard, typically posted in your Google Classroom, you might be asked to answer some questions on either the first slide or multiple slides. You can navigate through the slides by clicking on the top right here. If you like to respond with the sticky note, you will click down here and the sticky note is going to appear. And for this project that we're reading books about historical figures, you're going to write the title of your book and what you learned. We're going to click in save and the sticky note is going to appear in our Jamboard. We can make it bigger, we can move it around. You can change the color. And if you like to use a pen instead of a sticky note, you can go up here and click on the pen. Let's try the pen. It's a little hard to do it with the pen, but if you don't like your work, you can go to the eraser and erase your work. If you like to add an image, we can add an image clicking right here. We can upload an image or look for an image in Google image search. I'm going to look for an image in my computer. I'm going to click and open. And the image is going to appear in my Jamboard. We can make it small and bigger and also move it around. If you like to use the laser all the way on the bottom to point or something in the Jamboard. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to use Jamboard.